Yo, what's up? So, I'm in this amazing store. One of my crazy kids. Um, I'm in this amazing store I call Best Buy. I'm addicted to this place. I know I'm addicted to bone in my body, but I'm addicted to this place. So, um, I'm here to ask a question. He's gonna answer it because I'm kind of not really supposed to be here, but you know. So, my question is, because what we do with our DTF and everything, I figured I'd give you a lowdown on how to get the right computer. Question is, how do you even start buying the right computer for what you want to do? Where do you think that would be? Starting point. What do you think a good starting
Definitely
point is?
specs wise. I'll probably be looking at the specs.
You're already wrong.
Let's hear it. Where would we start? Where we buy?
You don't know where you start?
No, no.
So
That's
it's
what
not
I'm here to learn.
So it's not where you source the computer from. I'm in Best Buy, but this is where I like to buy stuff. You can go to Staples, you can go anywhere, but this is my place. I'm addicted to this place. The boss lady say they should have a picture up with my face on it that says
A wanted poster.
yeah, I'm not allowed in here.
Spend too much money.
Spend way too much money in this store. My favorite place. So, but again, source your stuff where you can get it from. I'm not an affiliate. I just love this store. So again, not specs, not a store.
Where we start.
Where do you think you start? Give me another place.
If it's not specs, I mean, I guess with what you're doing, right? I mean, was that count?
That's a good enough answer, but no, that's not where you start either.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
You don't know?
No, you gotta tell me. You gotta tell us.
Let me show you. Right here.
That's a good one. That's a good
Right
one.
there, okay? So the first place you want to start
What you can afford.
is your budget. That is the first place to start.
Makes sense.
And you notice how you go to stores and nobody asks you that question? Hey, I want a computer. Nobody ever asks you,
What's your budget?
what's your budget? You remember every
That's because they wanna, they wanna be
No,
able to
no,
sell.
no. That's not what it is either. People usually, because just like you said, everybody asks for specs.
Yeah.
Everybody asks for what you're using it for, and then they start just
Going
throwing
from
stuff
there.
out.
Yeah.
And just like you said, specs.
Yeah.
You remember every time I ask you, you ask me about computers. What the first thing I
That
say,
is
ask
the
you?
fir- that
That's
is
the
the
first
first
thing I
thing-
ask you.
I should have known.
What's your
Yeah,
budget?
what's your budget? What do you have to spend?
What you have to spend?
What are you willing to part with? Are
Because
you willing to sell an organ, Quentin, for this thread ripper I'm gonna build you?
exactly, that dictates so much. You have no idea how much that dictates.
Dictates everything. Yeah.
It dictates every single thing, every aspect of your buying, building, making, where you're going to get it from. Mind blowing, right? And that's like the simplest thing, because I can show you anything. I can make you buy anything. I can go over there and I can start showing you specs and all kind of stuff. But if you can't afford it,
Doesn't matter. Yeah. Are we gonna
Yeah.
get into any specs today?
oh, we can get into specs. Hopefully, they don't kick us out of the store.
Yeah, we're on the down low. We're on the down low here.
All right, so this is a computer I bought. This thing, I actually like this thing. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I do like it. It's funny, huh?
It's beautiful.
It is. It's
They're
really
showing
nice.
the cooling on it too.
Yeah. See, now what I really like about this computer is this right here. MSI really did a really good job on putting cooling. And what I really like about the cooling is how vented the entire back half is. So even if the fans don't pull enough air from the little holes here, it actually will pull air from everywhere else. And also these heat pipes will just generally just push off heat, even though it's not coming out the back ends or the sides. So
Even the sides.
yeah, just vents on the sides
both
and vents
sides.
and vents in the back too. Yeah, see, vents in the
Wow.
back. It really stays pretty cool for the most part. This one has a RTX 4080, I think, 4070 right there. Most of these don't really make any difference to most people. So for most people, for doing if this is more for designing your own stuff. Okay, so if you're doing a lot of artwork designing, playing games, you can get this, and this will cover 90% of what you're gonna do with
What
it.
about gaming?
This definitely will cover gaming. Definitely.
Yeah, that 4070 is nice.
Yeah, the 4070 is nice. The amount of memory, video memory in here is really powerful. It's like 16 gigabytes.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it is really a powerful machine, and I haven't had any problems with it. It runs like a champ. It runs. MSI did a good job with that one. And the funny thing is, when MSI make these machines, they usually make them really good. The other ones, like the Stealths and stuff, usually have problems, but these ones, they usually make them pretty robust. Good job, MSI. Asus, he has one.
I love it.
You love it?
I personally love it. Yeah.
Yeah, see?
It's a little loud, but that's just because I'm running some intense stuff on it. So
There you go.
it's good though.
But this Asus is actually not bad either. I don't know much about these Ultra Core 9 things. I don't know much about them. I tried to stay away from the Ultra Cores because I don't know much about them yet. Maybe eventually I'll try one out, but
How new are they? They're pretty new.
oh, they're very new. They're like this. I think this is probably maybe the second generation of them.
Because now they're having problems. They're still having problems with the 14th and 13th.
Yeah,
generation.
yeah, exactly. So that's why I kind of want to stay away from them because if this is a family of the 14 and 17.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
if
so
those aren't working well, why
Yeah,
would
so-
you expect those to?
yeah, so I kind of want to stay away from them, at least for now. Maybe when they hit like get a little older, then I might try one.
Yeah, they'll be worked out.
Now, if they want to send me one, that's a different story. But I'm not gonna spend my money on one. Right? Exactly. Wink, wink. Now, for people who are looking for computers, let me tell y'all something. The best computer, if you don't want a computer with a built-in graphic card, let me tell you something. The best computer you can buy is one of these things. Windows Surface Books. They are the best laptops, period. And these ones with the Snapdragon Elite ones, oh my goodness, they are awesome little machines. But every Surface Book I've had these Surface Books here, and they are awesome. Okay, I love these things, and the only problem I have with these things is that they don't come in a complete set. They like sell them in separate pieces. I'm not exactly sure why Microsoft does that. I guess it's just money thing. I don't know. Well, whatever.
They sell them in separate pieces.
Yes, this
Oh, wow, they
is
do.
separate. Yeah, this is actually separate. The computer is separate, and you have to buy this piece separate. I don't know why they do that.
Yeah, that's weird. Maybe because people just want a really nice tablet, I don't know. Or they have their own keyboard. Who knows?
No, the generations don't even. I'm not exactly sure, but I think the generations did actually kind of work together at some point. But I think most of the time, the generations don't click together. The board and don't click together.
Okay, so it's individual for each.
Yeah,
Okay.
but these things are really nice. If you're looking for a really like tablet PC,
Yeah.
these things are awesome. Laptops, these things are amazing. I love these things. So if you're looking for a good laptop without a GPU, these things will take you here and to space and back. I had to give mine away. Yeah, that's how good they are. You have to give them away. They're that good. And
So what's the difference between laptops and computers? Like, is there any like difference for you, or is it just is it just being portable? Essentially.
okay, so when it comes to laptops, all right, laptops is good for portability. But if you talk about longevity, something that's going to last you a long time, desktops, all day, 100 times on Sundays. Desktops will get you here, back to the moon, and they will last you forever. Because again, laptops, you take them around, you bump them, you drop them, you hit them. Desktops, you're not moving them, so they just sit there and they just run indefinitely. They're better at taking like power surges. They're better at power management. They're better at performance. Desktops are just way better. Everything. Also, the size of everything that goes in there. The memory modules are bigger. The processor is bigger. The chips are bigger. It's just a
Less
it's,
room for error. For
it's,
sure.
it's just a better thing. But if you don't have space or you don't want a desktop, laptop, and try to go on and somewhere in the middle. If you go somewhere in the middle of your budget, you know, not the $2,000 ones, but the the 1,300 to the 800, somewhere right in there. That's like that to me. That's like the sweet spot of computers. You can't really go wrong with any of those, and that's the i5s and the i7s. Can't go wrong with any of them.
You'll get enough performance to do what you want, but you're not going to be overpaying for anything.
There you have it, and that's to me that's the sweet spot. And you really can't go wrong with those. Now, here's a trick when you're buying stuff from Best Buy, especially computers. So I know a lot of people don't want to hear this,
This is the sauce right here.
but if you are buying a computer from Best Buy, see this cabinet right here? You see this cabinet right here? Let me tell y'all something.
I got one right in my book bag.
Let me tell y'all
Stole it
something.
from him.
See this cabinet? If you're fortunate enough to live in the U.S. and you have a Best Buy close enough to you, see these things? Shop here before you go anywhere else. Let me tell you something, man. I've bought more open box computers, laptops, televisions. I don't even know what to. I bought more open box things than I'm willing to admit to. Okay, and I've had no problems. I have a computer right now at my house that I'm using. I have televisions, sound bars, right now at my house, open box. Lasts me longer than brand new ones I bought off in the box. Yeah, you heard me right. Open box items last me longer than stuff I bought in a box. Ain't that crazy? So don't let open box scare you. Come, open the box, look at it, and they're really good at make you open the box and look at the stuff, okay, before you even buy it. Like I said, that's why I live in this store.
It's the place to be.
It is.
Listen, open box
Say, oh,
iMac.
look at this. Say, look at this. The open box iMac. So you can find really good deal in the open box area. So if you're in a Best Buy, you just come to Best Buy and you find really good deals. Here's an Alienware. That's a nice. It's an i7.
R16.
Saving $200 off that thing.
Wow.
Yeah, good deals on the open boxes, man. And most of the time, is people just open them up. They just don't like what it looks like, and then bring them back.
Dang, I want to bring back my laptop and grab this.
So you can find really good deals at open boxes. So that's another thing. But like I said, check your budget, and your budget will tell you where to start looking. And if you come in the store, always tell the people what your budget is, and then they can literally point you in the right place to find a computer. All right. So I just wanted to share that tidbit information. I figured it was helpful, and I figured y'all want to know, because you're in a business where you need a computer more than anything else, and it's just something that I think most people want to know, because he was building a computer the other day.
It's the best kept secret, this open box thing, because I mean, like I said, I have one in my book bag right now. It's I got a $1,400 laptop for what, $500?
Yeah.
$400?
Yeah.
And it works beautiful. It was brand new. Someone literally just opened the box. They didn't even touch the laptop at all, but they legally, I don't know legally, but they had to sell it in an open box. And I don't know how long it was sitting there, but it had to be sitting there for a while for me to get that much off of it. It's one of the best pieces of equipment I have. So,
Yeah,
and
and-
all because he took me here and showed me the open box section.
See,
Definitely.
and he didn't believe me when I was telling him, like, check this first before you go anywhere else. I'm telling you, best kept secret.
It's a
One of the
great-
best kept
yeah.
secrets.
Yep. It's a great- that's secret sauce right there. That's
After this shelf probably not going to be empty anymore.
yeah, you can't let it out the bag. Come on, we might have to delete these parts.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, so, but and then again, the budget thing. Just remember the budget thing. I can't stress it.
Yeah, and if you are on a tight budget, again, can't speak about the open box enough. So it's perfect.
All right. So till next time, peoples. Peace.